Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to talk about my experience with ADP Run, a payroll processing service that completely transformed how I manage salaries, taxes, and human resources for my small business. When we were on the lookout for a flexible payroll solution that can grow alongside our business, ADP Run provided us with the exact answer that I was looking for. Also guys, if at any point throughout this video you want to give ADP Run a try, you'll find all the useful links as well as discounts in the description down below to help you guys save some extra money. Now, I have to say the changes I've seen in my business since we started using ADP Run services have been remarkable. From saving time to gaining knowledge of payroll related data, it's helped me better manage my business in many ways. But it's important to note that ADP Run isn't for everyone, and other companies such as Gusto, Paychex, or QuickBooks Payroll might be a better option for other businesses depending on their specific needs. Now, to give you some backstory, so I've been running my own business for the past 5 years. It wasn't until I started expanding and hiring more employees that I realized the need for a streamlined, reliable payroll system. Like many others, I was drawn to advertisements from many payroll services, but I soon learned that not all payroll solutions were created equal. When my accountant suggested switching to a comprehensive payroll software, I was overwhelmed at first, but then he recommended exploring services like Paychex, Gusto, and ADP Run, and after thorough research, I decided to go with ADP Run, and here's why. Now, ADP Run offers a broad range of features to handle every aspect of payroll processing and tax compliance. It's customizable and scalable, ideal for businesses of all different sizes and requirements. Unlike some other options in the market, ADP Run doesn't cut corners when it comes to their features, whether it's basic payroll, tax filing, or advanced HR features like retirement plans and health insurance. ADP Run has got you covered. Not only that, but all of ADP Run's features comply with the regulation of the federal government, and they always stay updated with the latest changes. Now, this is extremely helpful because it keeps my business in compliance with tax laws and labor regulations. And when it comes to pricing structure, ADP Run offers a tiered pricing plan that you can customize to the size and needs of your business. Initially, I was concerned about the cost, I'm not gonna lie, especially since payroll software can be costly, but once I understood the structure of ADP Run's plans, I found that the benefits far outweigh the cost. Now, ADP Run offers 4 different plans: Essential Payroll, Enhanced Payroll, Complete Payroll plus HR, and HR Pro. The Essential Payroll plan covers the basics like payroll processing and tax filing services. Enhanced Payroll offers additional features like state unemployment insurance, SUI management. With the Complete Payroll plus HR, you get all the above plus more tools and resources. This upgrade was prompted by the realization that ADP Run was not just a payroll solution, but an effective human resource management tool that improved my overall business operations. Now, it's important to note that ADP Run's pricing varies depending on your business size and the services you choose. So even if you're working on a tight budget, there's likely an option that suits your business. When you consider the overall efficiency and compliance ADP Run brings to your business, the cost becomes a worthwhile investment, and I could tell you that from experience. Now, when I decided to go ahead with ADP Run, the process was remarkably straightforward. The user interface is intuitive, and it took less than an hour to set up. I mean, the process involves providing some basic business and employment information, and ADP Run takes care of the rest. They even offer support in transitioning from other payroll services, which was extremely helpful and exactly what I needed. Now let's talk about the level of support ADP Run offers. Now this part was non-negotiable for me since payroll can be complicated and having professionals' help at hand is crucial. Now ADP Run has a dedicated support team that's available via phone or online chat. Now my experience with the team have been consistently positive, and they're knowledgeable, patient, and dedicated to resolving any issues in an efficient manner. Now, using ADP Run has significantly impacted my business daily operations. It helped me move more from a manual, time-consuming payroll process to much more streamlined and automated system. Before implementing ADP Run, I spent hours each week calculating salaries, taxes, and benefits. Now, I'm able to complete the same tasks in minutes, leaving more time to focus on strategic business decisions. Now, when it comes to compliance, ADP Run has been a game changer. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the many regulations and tax laws that business owners must abide by, but with ADP Run, the software automatically calculates, deducts, and files federal, state, and local taxes on my behalf. This not only saves me from potential fines and penalties, but also gives me peace of mind knowing that my business's payroll is being handled in the right way. Alright guys, so while ADP Run has worked wonders for my business, it's essential to consider other options as well. I did some serious research before making my decision and considering several other platforms like Paychex and Gusto as mentioned earlier. Now let's start with Paychex. Paychex is a well-established company offering a plethora of HR and payroll services. While I was attracted to its comprehensive service, I found its platform to be less user-friendly than ADP Run. Gusto, on the other hand, is newer to the market and is known for its simplicity and intuitive design. However, Gusto's basic plan doesn't offer the same amount of HR capabilities as ADP Run. While Gusto's pricing is competitive, I felt the additional features of ADP Run justify the higher cost. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this review. I hope you found it informative and it gave you a better understanding of why ADP Run might be the right choice for your business. If you have any questions or comments about ADP Run, feel free to leave them down below. And remember, if you use the link in the description, you'll find useful links to save you some money. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.